Fly back home with me with the one and only Jasmine Helen. After bumping into each other at the airport, we decided to go grab lunch. Our boarding gate was at gate 10, pero sa gate 11 kami kumain kasi maraming vacant seats doon. We had so much to catch up on, lalo na yung journey niya sa bahay ni Kuya. Tapos ayun, we forgot about the time. Boarding was at 1:25 in the afternoon, and mid-kwentuhan, out of nowhere, I decided to check my phone. 1:44 na. Siyempre, nagtatatakbo kami sa airport hoping to catch our flight. Kasi fun fact, nagsasara yung boarding gates 15 minutes before departure. Meaning, pwede kayo ma-offload and hindi na pasakayin. Thank God, nakahabol kami.
Mga hapit na biyaan.
Hapit na biyaan? Kahit chismis tayo. Oh my God!
Ibang airline supposedly yung sasakyan ni Jazz earlier that day pero na-cancel yung flight niya. Ako naman, na-delay yung arrival ko sa Manila kaya afternoon flight na yung sinakyan ko. Burnt toast theory for sure. Everything happens for a reason. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung kwentuhan namin all throughout the flight and then ayun na, sobrang excited na ng gorgeous natin pag-announce na welcomes you to Dumaguete. Eme!
We're home. Mga hapit na biyaan. Abot na dito.
Yes. Pero wala ni the last call. Dream na ko last call.
Next time.
Next time. Sunod uli.
Sobrang excited ni Jazz and sobrang excited ko din for her kasi this is the first time na uuwi siya ng Dumaguete after over a year of living in Manila. Welcome home, gorgeous! Enjoy!